Ready for a no meat, no egg, no dairy, fast, low cost, little energy to make, great tasting meal? Then let's make one. Hello, gonna make a great dinner. I've done similar stuff to this. This is gonna have a little bit of a twist. I'm trying something new, which I always love to do, you know that. And then you can try whatever you like. So the base here is basically a medium potato, which is already cooked. It's peeled and cooked, so it's just gonna be like a mashed potato. And then I'm putting in this stuff, which is this vegan seasoned, supposed to mimic, I guess, ground beef. So it's already got some seasoning. It smells really good. I've used it before. I like it, but it needs to be in something. So I've put it in like tacos and stuff of that nature, which is really good. But I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna make these potato balls. They're gonna have roasted corn, which is here, beautiful roasted corn. They're going to have some roasted garlic in there, some leeks and some onions, and then there's going to be, I'm going to flavor the whole thing a little bit with this curry, yellow curry here, vegan yellow curry. So we're going to be really good. So let's get started. Oh, the side dish is also going to be some already thawed out spinach, and that's going to have some portobello mushrooms in the spinach. I mean the side. So once it's all plated up, that'll be like the side dish veggie in there. So I'm going to add the beefy stuff into the potato. I'm going to add the roasted corn in here. Like that. Let's get rid of this stuff. And then I'm going to put the sauce in. So I'm going to use not a lot. So basically 1 big tablespoon. I don't want to put a lot of it in there. I'm going to add some garlic powder in the whole mix. Really nice, just like that. Now there's some sodium already in the yellow curry, so I don't really need to put any salt in. And then I'm gonna take and mash up my roasted garlic, and then that's gonna go in there as well. So I just get this nice and mashed and sort of get it in here and give a good stir job when I'm breaking up the potato and everything. It's already taken on a beautiful smell. So we'll get the potato mashed. All this stuff just all mashed together in here. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and as soon as I get it done, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I've got this all mashed, mixed together, so I don't have any big clumps of anything in here. Don't want any big clumps of potato. Just want it really even. It's gonna be great. And so now I'm gonna fold in my onions and my leeks, because I don't want these to be beat in too much so they start to put too much of a over flavor. I just want them to be there when you bite into it, and you'll be able to pick up on that. So I'm just going to fold these in real nice, get them mixed all together. I don't want to beat them up too much, like mashing them and really squeezing out too much juice out of the leeks or the onions. Just want to get them really sort of mixed nicely. Just like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to start making these into the balls. I'm going to just get my oven cranked up all the way. My tray on the lower, and then I'm going to make these vegan balls. It's a lot more than I thought it was going to be, and it usually is. But I'm just going to make a tray of these. It's probably about 3 servings in here, just depending on how big of a person you are. So I'm just going to take handfuls of these like this, and then I'm just going to see how nicely they mash together, okay? And then I'm just going to set these in here, beautiful. Try to get them all about the same. Oh my God, that smells so good. Okay, let's a little bit more. Yeah, maybe 2 servings. Maybe, I mean, that's, you probably want 2 of these in your serving. Let's make them this way here, and then make a little small one at the end, because that's all that's left. There's enough for a little small one. So let's just stick it in there. Somebody who's really hungry can have this one at the end as well. It's probably going to be me. Okay, let's just get that mashed up beautifully in there. I mean, you could basically eat while this is in there cooking. Let's give these a little bit more room on the tray, so they have plenty of room to cook. Great. Let's stick them in the oven. Let them go for about 10-15 minutes, just so they get nice and toasty. And I'm going to make the sauce up for them. So that's going to be this sweet potato. Take the skin off, because that would probably not be too pleasant. I mean, you could eat it, but don't really want it in the sauce. Okay, so I just have plain old, good old sweet potato here. I'm just going to kind of break it up a bit. Like that. Okay, now I'm gonna use tikka masala for the mixture here. And this is gonna create a nice sauce for the top of the potato balls, just like that. Oh, that stuff is so good. Let's use the metal fork. Just mash this all up. Add a little water to it. So we really want it like a thick sauce is what it's really going to be when it's done. That you can just spoon on top of the So it'll have some nice texture to it. And I don't want it runny, but I want it smooth enough to kind of pour over. There we go. Now we're getting that nice texture. I'm just going to spoon this right on top. Let's see, maybe just a little bit more water, smooth it out a little bit. Great. Make sure it's stirred really good. I'm going to put a little garlic powder in there. Yeah, that should lay nicely on top. And let's get our plate out. So I'll be able to do that when it gets back. I'm going to take my spinach out. First I'm going to actually season my spinach a little bit with a little bit of garlic powder, just a touch of salt, a little bit of black pepper, tiny bit of olive oil, and mushrooms. I'll just cut these up into nice pieces. Beautiful portobello mushrooms. I pre-make them every week, because I just love them in all sorts of stuff. And this is just going to be the side dish. We can can put this on now, over here. Beautiful. That out of the way. Let's get this stirred in a little bit better. And that'll be nice to moisten the balls up when they come out and have that great flavor on top there. Gonna take a look and see how they're doing. Oh, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna let those go for a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Took them out, beautiful. Oh, smells fantastic. Let's just top them with the tikka masala sauce on top. Just like that. Oh, how beautiful that is. There it is. You can mix this up and change it any way you like. I just know this is going to be fantastic. I want to just eat it right now. Smells just incredible. I'm FOODMAKER V, and remember, the best investment you can ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.